Hey guys, my name is Jerson Maturan, and for today's video we're gonna tackle about classification of fingerprints. Let's go. Classifying of fingerprints, they have 6 divisions: primary, secondary, sub-secondary, major, key, and final division. What is primary? In this division, primary have 5 things to be considered. Number 1, you have to memorize the pairing of fingers and their values. Number 2, all the word patterns have values. Number 3, summation of numerical values assigned to word patterns. Number 4, even numbers are numerator and odd numbers are denominator. And lastly, number 5, do not forget the pre-established fraction 1/1. In secondary division, in this division, it represented by capital and small letter combination based on their interpretation made during the blocking. And I have some example to find capital and small letters in this problem. This is an example of finding capital and small letters. R represent right hand and left hand, thumb, index finger, middle, ring, and leaf finger. And if you notice guys that capital letters are found in index finger, so we put A and capital C. Next, we search the family for small letter. This is a radial, so I put R, and is ulnar, and radial, so we put letter R. Next, this is a tented arc, so we put small letter T. If you notice guys that there have 2 radial in left hand, so this is have no value, so we put 2, this is a radial, small letter R. And sub-secondary, in sub-secondary division, it focuses ridge counting in word tracing, but in division, index, middle, and ring finger only. Words have IMO, inner, meeting, and outer. Inner have 3 or more intervening ridges inside of the right delta. Meeting have 2 or less intervening ridges, whether inside, in front, or outside, or below the right delta. Outer have 3 or more intervening ridges below or outside of the right delta. In this chart, there have a different classification in index, middle, and ring finger for outer and inner shown in chart above. In major division, it focuses on thumb only. In this division, the classification of this is small, medium, and large. And this division have 2 tables. To use the exact table, it depends on the number of ridges count of left thumb. If the ridge count 12 to 16, you will use table A, or the ridge count is 17 or more, use table B. Final division, done by ridge counting of words from the 2 little finger, not ridge tracing. A explained that if the left hand use right delta and if the right hand use left delta, it is like a vice versa. Double loop world counted upright loop. If accidental world have 2 or more patterns, you will choose the least ridges and you will use it. In this division, key division is very unique because this division doesn't have a denominator, only numerator. Key division find by getting ridge count of the first loop formation appearing all the fingers except the 2 little fingers. In case of absent of a loop, the first world ridge counted just like how ridge counted back in the final division. And that's all for today's video. Goodbye!